Morning, children. Today I am going to take a beautiful poem. So you must understand the poem and do like that only. Okay. So today our poem is a nation's strength. A nation's strength. Saturday we celebrated Independence Day. I will remember. Maybe you watch in the TV. No. Some leaders given the speeches and they given the sweets and something we celebrated nicely. How we got the Independence Day? So every year we are celebrating. Mama. So many national leaders sacrificed their lives, but we are enjoying. We got the freedom. No, but here we are going to know who are going to sacrifice their lives. Why? Because of some reason we are going to know. In nation's strength. Strength means those who are having the strong, they show their strength. No? Oh, I am so powerful one. I am very strong one. Like that they will say. So who are the strong here? We are going to know. This poem written by the Ralph Waldo Emerson. Ralph Waldo Emerson. In nation's strength, this is a very small one, but big answer is there. Very small, very short one, but we are going to get a beautiful moral. Okay, ma? Okay, I'll read. Those who are having, you open your textbooks, page at 43. What are the important one? I'll write on the blackboard. Then you will remember that a nation's strength. Not gold, but only men can make a people great and strong. First time what metal they mentioned? Gold. Not gold. Not gold. But only men. But only men can make a nation great and strong. Not gold, that is the substance. No, not gold, but only men. What type of the men going to give the great and strong? All men cannot. Only few. No. All the teachers are there. Only few. All the doctors are there. Only few. Only few are the good and only few are the maybe lazy. They don't have the patience. No. Here only men can make a people great and strong. A people great and strong. What a beautiful word, no? Great and strong. Nowadays we should feel I am very strong because of COVID-19. No? We are protecting our lives, staying at home. Why? Because all afraid of the COVID-19. But here, a nation's strength, men can make great and strong, but not the gold. Men who for truth and honor's sake, truth and honor, they should give respect. Honor, truth. We never tell the lies. At any time, we should not tell the lie. We should be stand upon the truth only. But here, only men can make a nation strong. Men, not gold. The people great and strong. And second one, truth and honor's sake. They should feel this is my family. We have to respect our family. This is my nation. We have to give respect, but should not spoil anything. Whatever may be, we have to feel, we have to respect. We should not deceive. Okay, ma? So, men who for truth and honor's sake, truth is very important for we as a human being, we should stand upon the truth. not to tell the lies. Okay, so telling the lies once, twice, and thrice is okay. But if you say fourth time, all will get angry. No, no? So some people are going on saying some reason they are searching for the answers, but that is not the good habit. No, if they do like that, they will be cultivating like that only. But that is not the good. They will get the all. They lose all the benefits. If they tell the lie, they lose all the benefit. They won't get any bright future also. But should not do like that. Are you telling the lies, ma? You must avoid. You must stand upon the truth. So here, men who for truth and honor say, stand fast and suffer long. Stand fast. Stand fast and suffer long. Suffer long. Those who are standing upon the truth and honor, those who are showing the great and the strong, these will do only men. That men who are doing all those things, when they are respecting, when they are standing upon the truth, that people, that type of the people, they stand fast. They have whatever problem, whatever difficulty, whatever hardship they face, they never bend. They will never do like that. They never move like this. They will be standing straight. Stand fast. Whatever problem. If you are good, if you face any problem, you will be standing fast. Okay, ma? Sometimes those who want to do anything, they will feel, oh, I do. Well, I didn't do anything. Like that, they will be saying, they are going to fall. One day will fall. When they go, automatically they are going to fall. But here, the type of the men, they stand fast and suffer long. To get the good result, they will be suffering a lot. Okay, ma? So, you have to understand, I think, the men who were standing upon the truth and honor, those who are showing the great and strong, the type of the people, they will be standing fast and suffer long. They will be facing more problems, but they never leave. Whatever problem, they have to go forward. Why? Because that type of the people the nation need. Brave men, here one more important one. Brave men who were not timid people, not coward people, only brave men, brave. Whatever problem, what they are going to suffer, they will be facing all the problem with brave men. A lovely word. Are you brave or timid? You have to rectify. Okay, ma'am? Sometimes you won't do the homework. What you say, ma'am, there is no current, ma'am. Ma'am, yesterday I suffered from stomachache, ma'am. Like that, you will be telling the reasons. You are not the brave people. You are going to escape only once, only twice. But here, brave men who work while others sleep. Sleep means lazy people. Sleep means they never do anything. They will be neglecting. Tomorrow I'll do. They will be going on postponing. Brave people are working. Others are sleeping. They will be neglecting. At home they will never do. They'll forget their jobs also. They will be postponing. What is the work? They don't know anything. While they are practicing, they will be knowing everything, no ma? But here brave people are doing, brave people are working, brave people are suffering a lot, though here others are sleeping. They are going on sleep. They will be searching so many reasons. So I didn't do, I can't do, I couldn't do, no current, nothing like that. They will be searching the answer. Who dare while others fly? Who dare? Who dare others fly? Here two types of the people we are going to see. Brave people are working. Brave people are working whatever problem they are facing. They never think anything, but others are sleeping. They don't have any responsibility. They have no responsibility. The next one, dare people, whatever problem, I'll go. Without hesitation, without thinking, they will say, I'll go. Dare people, dare and brave people are working together, and sleeping people and fly away. Fly away means not aeroplane, not bird. Fly away means escape. Fly away means escape. Escaping, ma'am, tomorrow I'll do. Ma'am, tomorrow I'll do. Tomorrow. They will go on escaping. They never do any work. Why? Because they are the lazy people. Sleep people means lazy people. Sleeping means lazy. Lazy people. My dear student, don't be lazy. Don't be an idle. Idle man's mind is devil's workshop. You always busy like a bee. When you are busy, when you are showing the concentration, definitely you will be brave and they not in the other moment in your studies. You are the children, no? You are keeping the concentration in your studies. Okay? So don't be lazy. Don't be fly away. Don't escape. Whatever homework given by the teacher, you must do and promptly you show to the teachers. That is a very good habit. Don't postpone anything. Okay? Who dare while others fly? They build. They means who are they? Brave and they, great and strong, truth and honor. This type of the people, they should have the responsibility. They are feeling this is my work. Those who feel like that, definitely they will do all without wasting the time. They build, but are you building anything now? You are not sacrificing your lives, no? Your duty is to read and write only, no? But can't you do? You are not sacrificing your life for the sake of the nation. Okay, ma'am. So you must you must to take the practice. Here, they build a nation's pillars deep. When we are going to build the 3-storied and 4-story building, the foundation should be strong. So, as a student, you should need the strong foundation. From LKG, UKG, first class, second class, like that. That is the foundation. What you learn in the UKG or LKG, you should not forget. While you are growing, you must remember what you learned. That is the foundation. Everything. Okay? So they build a nation's pillars deep and live them with a happy mood. Now, yesterday we celebrated the Independence Day. How we enjoyed. We got the freedom, we got the independence. But we are enjoying. But who sacrificed their life? How they suffered? Are you remembering? We have to remember. Not enjoying. You have to remember how they sacrificed. Why we are enjoying now? Why we are enjoying today? How we got the independence? You have to remember. And what they did the work. At least what is your part? Your part is doing the good only, not spoiling anything. As a student, we should be a polite manner. We should need the concentration. You should try to do something what you are doing, not to fly away. You do then and there. That only as a student you should learn. That is a building. You are building your education. You are building your manner. So at least you do what you know. Have you understood, ma? A nation's strength. Once again I'll read. All of you be careful. Not gold but only man can make a people great and strong. Men who for truth and honor sake stand fast and suffer long. Brave men who work while others sleep. who dare while others fly. They built a nation's pillars deep and lift them to the sky. Written by Ralph Waldo Emerson. Okay, ma? Have you understood? Is it clear? Okay? Again, you have to write, no writing the poem, you write the meanings, then rhyming words you write in the classwork. Bye.